How to import Wallet to Rabby. So the first step is to just open up the application like I've done, and there are two ways to go about it. You could either, before creating your account, that is creating a new wallet, you could either click on already have a wallet and then go with the seed phrase or private key option. These are all available. You could go with seed phrase or private key or go with hardware wallet. Now the hardware wallet could be Ledger, Keystone, OneKey, or Trezor. Or you could go with the seed phrase option where you simply paste in your seed phrase or paste in your private key. So let's say you have created a new wallet. Let's go ahead and click on create a new wallet and I'll show you how to maneuver around this. All right, so once the Rabby interface, this is the interface, once it's opened up, just go ahead and click on the wallet plus at the top right corner. Click on this and you can go ahead and add a wallet by either creating a new wallet or importing your seed phrase. So in order to import a wallet, just go ahead and import your available seed phrase or import your private key. So I'll give you a practical example. If you minimize and open up another wallet, let's say something like the Phantom wallet here. Let's go with Phantom. Once the wallet has opened, just go ahead and click on your profile and then just go ahead and select the account you want to copy your seed phrase from. So let's say this account. So click on it and then go ahead and click on show recovery phrase or show private key. So we can be going with any of these options. I'll just go with the private key. So click on this and then activate the private key and copy it. So once you've copied it, minimize, head back to Rabby Wallet, open it and click on import private key and then go ahead and paste your private key and that's it. All right guys, so that's how it's done.